What would you say if I told you the vehicle you're driving right now could easily pass 500,000 miles on the odometer, and the only thing stopping it is a set of simple, almost invisible mistakes? Most cars don't die from age. They're defeated by hidden corrosive habits the manual never warns you about. Today we're exposing 17 of them. These aren't hunches. They're data-backed, mechanic-verified protocols that can guide your car to 300,000, 500,000, even 700,000 miles. And the fifth habit on our list is non-negotiable. It stops the single most expensive mechanical failure you can face. Let's begin. Habit 17. Rethink the oil change countdown. The idea of 10,000-mile intervals is often more about marketing than mechanical reality. Contaminated oil accelerates wear on critical parts like timing chains and bearings. Studies show internal wear can spike by up to 40% with overly extended intervals. Your move? Fresh oil and a new filter every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. In hotter climates, lean towards a 5W30. In colder, a 0W20 is your ally. Habit 16, the transmission's secret enemy. That lifetime fluid claim? It usually means the warranty's lifetime. Heat is what actually degrades fluid, and over 60% of gearbox failures stem from this neglect. The fix is straightforward. Swap your automatic transmission fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, and never power flush a transmission that's been ignored for ages. What's your current oil change interval? Tell me in the comments, 3K, 5K, or are you risking the 10K stretch? If you're committed to your car's future, hit like and subscribe right now, because the next habit protects a system worth thousands. Habit 15, the fuel pump click test. Topping off your tank after the nozzle clicks the first time is a silent killer. It floods the evaporative system, which can lead to a failed charcoal canister, a repair that runs from $400 to over $1,000, and warranty won't touch it. Rule: first click means stop. Every time. Habit 14, the 30-second engine mount check. Here's a quick test. Foot firmly on the brake, shift into drive. If you feel excess rocking or movement, your engine mounts are likely worn. Addressing this $150 fix now prevents over $1,000 in collateral damage later. Habit 13, the smart startup ritual. Letting your car idle for too long on a cold morning does more harm than good. It can wash raw fuel into the oil, drastically thinning it. Research indicates extended cold idling can increase engine wear by over 60%. The correct method? Idle for 20 to 30 seconds, then drive gently until the engine reaches temperature. Habit 12, coolant doesn't last forever. Over time, coolant breaks down and becomes acidic. Ignoring this increases the risk of catastrophic head gasket failure by a significant margin. The guideline is to replace coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. If it looks brown or sludgy, you're already in the danger zone. Habit 11, fuel with a purpose. Using bargain fuel can lead to carbon deposits accumulating up to 19 times faster. The defense is twofold. Consistently use top-tier gasoline and run a quality fuel injector cleaner through your system every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. Habit 10, the pause that protects your transmission. Shifting from drive to reverse while the car is still rolling is brutal on internal gear sets. Incorporating a simple 1-second full stop can add years to your transmission's life. If these tips are making you rethink your maintenance, hit like, comment, high mileage, and subscribe. The next set of habits will save your brakes, your fuel, and your engine's very soul. Habit 9, the direct injection dilemma. Many modern engines, especially GTIs and similar performance models, never wash their intake valves with fuel. This can sap up to 10% of your power by 50,000 miles. The solution is a professional carbon cleaning service every 40,000 to 60,000 miles to restore power and efficiency. Habit 8, parking pawl protector. Here's the correct sequence when parking. Engage the handbrake first. Let the car settle against it, then shift into park. This simple habit reduces wear on the transmission's parking pawl by about 70%. Habit 7, the 12 electrical fix. Nearly a third of all electrical gremlins are caused by nothing more than corroded ground connections. Cleaning these with a wire brush, a $12 investment of time and material, can prevent a $900 diagnostic and repair nightmare. Habit 6, throttle body relearn. Often, poor idle or sluggish response isn't mechanical. It's the computer's memory being out of sync. A 2-minute relearn procedure, which we'll link below, can restore factory-like throttle response. Habit 5, the art of coasting. This habit prevents the most expensive failure, premature brake and rotor wear. Late, aggressive braking generates immense heat. The practice of early, gentle coasting can extend your brake component life by 40% or more. Habit 4, the fuel filter timeline. A clogged filter makes your fuel pump work harder, leading to overheating and early death. Make it a rule to replace your fuel filter every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Habit 3. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It absorbs moisture from the air, which lowers its boiling point and can cause corrosion inside the ABS unit. Flush your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years to maintain peak safety and performance. Habit 2. Spark plug quality is non-negotiable. Cheap plugs can cause misfires that damage ignition coils and even melt precious metal in your catalytic converter. Stick to OEM-specified plugs, typically iridium or platinum. Habit 1. The quarter tank rule. Your fuel pump uses gasoline as a coolant. Running your tank consistently below a quarter full means the pump runs hotter, potentially failing 30% faster. Keep it above the line. Master these 17 habits, and you're not just maintaining a car, you're building a legacy. If even one of these tips saves your engine or your wallet, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to Winds of Thought, and comment with your car's current mileage. Your car's longevity isn't written in its manual, it's written in your daily habits. Don't let a simple mistake cost you a complex engine. And don't miss our next video where we expose 10 more secrets the dealership hopes you never learn.